Hello. Okay, a quick overview. Adding an event have 3 main points: user, event, and status. You need a user to be able to log in and register an event. For the event, first an initial registration is needed. And then, there are a couple of homepage additions you can do. And finally, if you want one of the higher statuses, there are some more complete information demanded. This, so that the status marshals can get a good picture of your event. And hopefully, to be able to grant your event in the end. All the 4 points here have their own video tutorial. This is the second one, adding the initial event registration. Good luck with your event registration. Welcome to this tutorial, showing how to add your slalom skateboard event to the race calendar. First, let's go to the website. To add an event, you need to log in. If not having an account, check out the login tutorial. Once on the website, we click the login icon. Fill in username and password. And click the login button. Once logged in, your personal homepage will open up. Click the settings button. The settings panel will open up, and we click the add event button. And there we are. The event registration panel. Select the year of your event. And country. Your own country will always show on top of the drop-down list. If your event belongs to an event family, then select it. If an event resembles a previous event, you can use it for setting initial values. In our case, we will choose to register from standard values. First, we will select place. Select from previously used places. Or create a new one. In our case, the town name alone is enough. And it already exists. So we just select it. Then, we have the event date. You can select it from a calendar dropdown, or just enter it manually, like we do now. Then we have the event name section. Here, we set up the format for our event name. I will not go into details. You can play around with it, and see how the event name is built up below, in the gray generated name field. With the family name selected, we have already got some good default values. We will just add an English prefix to the name. This is done, just to make sure, it's clear to everyone, that this is the National Championships. The new generated event name looks fine. We click the little down arrow to copy it down to our event name field. Then we have the event info section. Here, we have some basic settings for the event. Again, I will not go into details here. But you may have noticed that every section has a little info icon attached. Clicking this icon will open up an info panel with more information. Okay, the finish line is closing in. Next section, organizers. You are always, yourself, on top of this section. Then, a couple of other organizers, from selected country, are also listed. If the person you want is not shown, then, you can try a search, from our slalom database. It's a big chance the person will be found. If not, you can add a new person later, once the event is registered. As you can see, in our case, you can add multiple organizers. Later, if wanted for your event administration, you can also add other people. Okay. Finally, we will register who made this demand. And also give the contact mail for the event. Copy down the email for the person you selected, or just add another general email for the event. We are done. Click the checkbox ready to submit. You will have a quick overview of the event information. If everything looks okay, then at the end, you will have a button to submit your changes to the database. If everything went well, you will have a link shown to your event. You can open your event page by clicking the link, but the event registration is not yet complete. The event will then be checked by the Central Event Administration. Once this is done, your event will be set in an organizer mode. Once your event is in organizer mode, the organizers will have a settings page showing up at their home pages. Here you can add additional event info, like an event poster, welcome information, and more. And then, once the organizers are happy with their event homepage, the event can be published. And at this moment, it will show up into the official race calendar as well. There will be another specific video tutorial showing how to handle your event homepage. But at this point, you have at least made the first step. Congratulations!